Good morning. Good morning to you. How are you? I'm glad. Linky, linky, linky. Okay, I'm wearing my hat, my blue hat, blue Christmas hat. Okay, have yourself a merry little Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Very good. Let's see our work for today. Okay, we're gonna work on page 21 and let's see. It says activity 18, counting fingers. Count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Reading, write a song and color the picture. Lee y escribe la canción y colorea la imagen. Dice, how many fingers on one hand? How many? ¿Cuántos hay? How many fingers? These are fingers. Estos son los fingers. Dice, ¿cuántos hay en una mano? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how many are in the other hand, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many fingers on two hands? Okay. If we put them together, let's count them. I don't know if you can see my both hands. Okay, right there. I think right there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have 10 fingers, okay? On two hands. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands. Very good, guys. And then you have the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. And right here you have the link. If you go and click right here, you can see the song and you can sing all day the numbers with your hands. How many fingers on one hand and then two hands? Okay, that's all for today. I hope you have a great day and take care at home. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.